Hey beauties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am taking my hair from this to this.
Look at this face, y'all. She ain't even know. She didn't know. She thought her hair was finna be the shit. Okay, she started off this video like, bitch, I'm finna go from this to this. She ain't even know. She didn't have a damn clue.
So if you're interested in watching, just go ahead and stay tuned. So yeah, I'm ready to change my hair color. I'm over this demi-permanent because you can only see it in the sun and it kind of just look ashy like under normal lighting. So I just want like a bolder color and a more like saturated, deep, you know, even color on my hair. So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and do a permanent color on my hair. This is actually my first time doing a permanent color on my hair since I did the big chop and grew my hair back. So I'm super excited to do this. I used to color my hair red all of the time. Like girl, back in the day, I just stayed with red hair, blonde hair, pink hair. I did all kind of crazy stuff to my hair. So I'm just really excited to dip back into some fun colors on my natural hair. And yeah, we about to get it popping. Okay y'all, so for this red color, I am using my camera color. Y'all, I have just a bunch of leftover color in my closet, so I just decided to go ahead and use something I had left. Yeah, so I have this 5R color, which is a light brown red, and I'm using this to get like a deep, dark, rich red on my hair. I'm gonna combine that with this 30 volume developer to lift me up 3 levels, and I'm also gonna add some of this. Girl, what is this, you ask? Now this is just an additive by Pravana. They have like different just like concentrated colors that you can pour into your color to make it more of that color. So I'm using red because I want my hair to be like red. Yeah, I'm gonna be adding a few drops to this to make my color more red. And yeah, let's go ahead and mix this color up. Just a tip, if you using like a tube color, it's definitely best to use a color key to get the color out, but I lost mine, so so I'm over here struggling trying to roll every bit out. But when you have a color key, it gets like every bit of that color out the thing. We about to get this color popping. As y'all can see, I got my hair sectioned off into 4s, and I'm gonna start with this section. One thing you want to make sure is that your hair combed out. You don't want it to be tangly while you're trying to put this color through, because you are going to be working in sections, honey. So you really want to make sure it's easy to like get through your hair and section it off and stuff like that. My hair was blow dry like last month. Girl, I know it's so nasty. I ain't washed my hair in so long, but you want to make sure you starting out your permanent color on dry hair, preferably stretched out. That makes it easy. I'm just gonna be taking like this size sections. With a permanent color, it's kind of like a virgin relaxer. You want to start applying that color at the ends all the way up into about like 1 inch to the roots. You don't want to go to the roots because that hair is going to color and it's going to be lighter than the rest of your hair if you do that first. The reason being is because our body heat is generating right there off the scalp, so heat processes color, so your roots are going to process faster. So you just want to stop just about there, just like that, and do that all over your head first. be okay. I'm gonna just let it process for 20 minutes and then I'm gonna go back in, do my roots, and then let it process for another 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna chill, relax, watch some Netflix, and I'll come back in 20 minutes when the processing time is up, and then we'll move on. So it's been about 20 minutes. I do have a plastic cap on, but you really just let this process at room temperature. I just put this on because it was all in my face and all over the place. Now I'm about to go ahead, ooh. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go through, do my roots, and let it process for another 30 minutes, and yeah, we see what it be looking like. Alright y'all, my scalp is starting to tingle a little bit, so I don't think I'm gonna keep it on there for 30 minutes, probably 10 at the most, because I ain't trying to have no chemical burn. I ain't trying to, girl, ooh, this kind of reminded me of relaxer days, Lord. Is y'all ready? I'm not ready, because from the looks of it, when I was shampooing my hair, it looked like I got fire roots, y'all. My roots look like it's darker than my hair. Here we go. Yeah. Oh my god. Look at that. I mean, it's not too bad, but I definitely do have fire roots. And I had to think about it. Like, girl, duh. I had the 5R and the 7R on my hair. And then I only had the 7R on my roots. So my roots are a different color, like a totally different color than my hair. My hair is still dark. I thought it was gonna like lift more than this. It looked the same as how my hair just was, except for my roots is lighter now. I feel like unless I bleach my hair, which is something I really just don't want to do right now because my hair is still struggling from being dry, it's not gonna get that red how I'm envisioning in my head. So alright y'all, so here is my hair after I straightened it out. It's been like 4 days. I really just been wearing ponytails, but I did want to go ahead and show y'all like how this trash color came out. It is like really ugly to me. As y'all can see, my roots are like red and then my ends are like burgundy. I absolutely just hate this, and I want y'all to see it like for real. Let me turn this ring light off because you can kind of see it better just like in regular lighting. But yeah, so this is how it looks just in like regular light. I'm just not feeling this, sis. Like the ombre should be the opposite way. If anything was gonna be lighter, I would have rather it been my ends, but when you got fire roots, it's a bad color job. So I'm about to go back black. I got my black rinses on deck. Hopefully this goes through all of this red. If not, I'll end up eventually doing just a permanent black on my hair because I don't like this at all. I think I'm just gonna leave color alone. I just really don't want to mess with it no more. I don't want to bleach it. I don't feel like correcting my color. I just don't feel like it, you know, and I just feel like I like black on myself better. If I want to dip into some color, I'll just play around with my wigs, my weave, and stuff like that. But as far as my hair, it's a no for me. It's a big fat no. Another thing, it just takes a lot of work to keep up with color. Not like demi-permanents and stuff. I'll still be doing my black or brown demis and rinses here and there. But when you like lift your hair and color it, it is just so much work. Like especially red, because red fades out. You have to keep on doing red semis. I ain't got the time. I don't really like doing a whole bunch of stuff to my hair. So I'm just, yeah, I'm about to keep it basic, keep it simple, and go back to what I know. Anyway, I wasn't sure if I wanted to go ahead and post this video, but I thought, why not? I'll post my hair journey and y'all see the ups and downs of everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and post this video, and I just wanted to come and show y'all the final results. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed me epically failing at this red color, and yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.